Hello. In this video, I'll talk about foods that may contribute to prostate enlargement and healthier alternatives you can consume instead. Maintaining prostate health is crucial, especially as we age. If you want to learn more about this, make sure to watch the video until the end. Also, don't forget to support the channel by subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. Foods that can worsen prostate enlargement. Red meat and processed meats. Red meat, especially processed varieties, contains high levels of saturated fats, which can increase inflammation in the body. Processed meats like sausage, salami, and bacon contain additives that may further harm prostate health. So, what are the better alternatives? Opt for lean protein sources such as skinless chicken, turkey, or plant-based proteins like lentils and chickpeas. Dairy products. Some studies suggest that excessive dairy consumption may contribute to prostate enlargement due to certain growth factors found in milk. If you want to reduce dairy intake, try alternatives like almond milk or coconut milk. You can also opt for low-fat yogurt or cheese in moderation. Fast food and fried foods. Fast food and deep-fried foods contain trans fats and high levels of salt, which can trigger inflammation and negatively affect prostate health. Instead, use healthier cooking methods like baking, grilling, or steaming with olive oil. Excessive caffeine and alcohol. Too much caffeine or alcohol can irritate the urinary tract and worsen symptoms associated with prostate enlargement. Try reducing coffee intake and switching to herbal teas, especially green tea, which has antioxidants that benefit prostate health. Refined sugar and white flour products. Sugary and processed carbohydrate foods can spike blood sugar levels and promote inflammation, which may worsen prostate issues. Choose whole grains like whole wheat bread, brown rice, and bulgur instead of refined carbs. Foods that support prostate health. Now let's look at foods that can help maintain a healthy prostate. Tomatoes. Tomatoes contain lycopene, which is beneficial for prostate health. Lycopene is better absorbed when tomatoes are cooked, so consuming tomato paste or sauces is a great option. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and may help slow down prostate enlargement. Swapping your morning coffee for green tea can be a great choice. Walnuts and almonds. Nuts like walnuts and almonds are packed with healthy fats that help reduce inflammation and support prostate health. Eating a handful as a snack can be beneficial. Turmeric and ginger. Both turmeric and ginger have anti-inflammatory properties and may help support prostate health. You can add turmeric to your meals or mix it with warm water for a healthy drink. Omega-3 rich foods. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts, may help protect prostate health. Eating fish at least twice a week is highly recommended. Lifestyle tips for a healthy prostate. Along with diet, your lifestyle choices play a key role in prostate health. Here are some important tips. Exercise regularly. A sedentary lifestyle can increase the risk of prostate enlargement. Even daily walks can help. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water supports urinary health. Manage stress. Excessive stress can disrupt hormonal balance and worsen prostate issues. Try meditation or breathing exercises. Get regular checkups. Especially after the age of 40, regular visits to a urologist are crucial for early detection. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Do you have any personal tips for prostate health? Share them in the comments. See you in the next video.